Welcome back, SRC Toys. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today we're going to bind a TQ controller with a TQ receiver. I will show you how it's done. Make sure your batteries are fully charged. You plug your ESC into the second port of your TQ receiver, which technically is your third port because there's two port number ones. Put it in like that. Take a fully charged battery, plug that in. Press and hold the set button and then turn it on. Splashing red. It looks green, but that is red. Press and hold the easy set button on the receiver. And press and hold, or press the power button on the ESC. Okay, let's try a different receiver. Because that one didn't work. I'm going to be very disappointed if I got a bad controller or a bad receiver. There's another TQ receiver. We will plug it into number 3, which is technically number 2. We will turn this off again. Hit the set button right there on top. Turn it on. It'll flash. Hit the easy set button, and it's flashing green, or it's steady green. So that is bound to this controller now. Unplug it. Unplug this. Let's try this one more time. I'm really gonna be upset if this is a bad receiver. Now we know it's not the controller. Turn it back off. Hit the set button. Turn on the controller. It's gonna flash. Press and hold the easy set button. Turn it on. Yep, you gotta plug the battery in first. For some reason it won't bind to that controller. This one won't. Okay, so this one goes to this one. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Please hit like and subscribe if you like the video and the content. SRC Toys, thank you.